OneDrive is the gateway to seamlessly managing files across Windows, Office, Teams, and Mac, keeping files safe, accessible, and in sync across all your devices. Millions of users every day interact with multiple files across their OneDrive experience, and in the era of AI, it's essential to get the most from your content fast and efficiently. That's why Copilot in OneDrive is always at your fingertips, ready to assist you. Whether you need to quickly get up to speed for a meeting on a 20-page document or gain quick insights on a file, you can ask Copilot to generate a summary for you to review with just one click. Even ask Copilot questions on your files to drill down to the specific data you need from your content, or create a quick fact for your team. Copilot can also work on multiple files to easily compare files, to quickly see the differences between selected documents in an easy-to-read view. Imagine the time you'll save when comparing contracts, financial statements, or quarterly review docs. Copilot in OneDrive will help you work faster, smarter, and prepare you for challenges that would normally take hours of time. Revolutionize your workflow with Copilot and Drive.